they bother about is that Ghana men are taking away their Nigeria girls against Nigeria. Is that the recent killing, the recent robbery that is happening, Nigeria is involved on it. Oh my goodness. If you want to know what Ghanaians think about Nigerians and what Nigerians think about Ghanaians, please stay tuned to this video. Lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. If today is your first time coming across this great channel, you are highly welcome and well appreciated. Yes, oh my god, we are here for another sit down video. Yes, sit down video. Don't go anywhere. I know you are going to like it. Yes, I know you are going to like it. In today's video, we are going to be talking about what two Africa thinks of themselves. What two Africa think about themselves. So those two countries are Nigeria and Ghana. Yes, you know, Nigeria and Ghana are just like twins. Before you jumped on me, this is a requested video. Don't be in haste. Just cool down and hear what we are going to be talking about in this video. We are here for positive vibe, like we are here for positivities. Yes, we are here for Africa talk, so we have to dress like Africa. Yes, born and brought up in Africa. Forget this shine off. Can you see this? With my native and my full moon, and I did this hair myself. All the wig you see me wearing, I am the one doing them by myself. Yes, I am so perfect aspect of doing wig cap. This is so beautiful. You can see it. It looks exactly like my hair. If you are still watching us, you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that button that says subscribe. It's absolutely free of charge. It's not going to take your money or anything from you. The reason you are subscribing is for you to be notified anytime I put on a new video. You will get alert of that video. Alert of that video, not be money. There are still so many Africa that is proud of where they came from. Before that person came to drop this comment of this video, like requesting for this video, I have got similar comment. They want me to do this video that I'm just trying to do right now, this video that I am doing. Yes, but I were not really ready doing this video. Like I was not ready. But if you are a YouTuber, you know that our subscribers are part of our family. We do respect them and they respect us. Yes, according to the name, is like a Nigeria person. I can't conclude because you know we all change names, and he was the only person, or he or she was the only person that dropped a comment requesting for a video politely. Like you could have do this video to clarify some issue like this. So I decided to do this video for that person. There are so many of us, we are really proud where we came from, no matter the situation, no matter how the name sound in the ears of people or in the ears of so many people. We don't care. We are proud of Nigeria. We know a time will come, Nigeria will be great again. Like Nigeria will be a great and a great country. He is already the giant of Africa. It's not easy. Yes, he's the king of Africa. You that dropped that comment for me, I want to tell you, me that is saying this, I love Nigeria. Let's dive into the video. So this video is not for negativity. It's for us to know what this country think about this and what this country think about this. After all, we all know we are one family. Like, we are not trying to divide ourselves. Please don't drop any comment that you know that is not good. Yes, I'm not begging you anyway, but just watch it and know what you have to comment. So don't take it personal, anything you see on social media. We are just bringing out what we think in our own perspective way, like in our own perspective way. Already being a YouTuber, as I said, we are open to any positive comment, negative comment, like or dislike. All of them are counting. Yes. So in this video, we are going to be talking positive side about Nigeria and Ghana. Yes, we are. Don't jump on me this time. Just stay tuned to this video and I know you are going to enjoy enjoyed it. I'm going to make it short and interesting because this is a requested video. I don't want it to be too long. I'm just here to obey that person. Like, no matter what of the Nigerians are doing, but they don't care. They only focus in those good ones. Nigeria are good. Ghana, Nigeria, we are all one. Like, we are all one. If you see so many videos that is flying over the social media, you will see that Nigeria do love Ghana so well. Like, likewise, Ghana love Nigeria as well. Let's go ahead with what Ghanaians think about Nigerians. Well, don't you see? Can you see how natural we are looking today? Because you know everything Africa is natural. Yes, natural. Yes, we are beauty. And Ghanaians also said Nigeria are so sexy. Like, they are so sexy. They are beautiful. I mean, they are so lively. They are so lively. You can hear that. So you can see and how much Ghana love Nigerians. Like, Nigerians. I beg, this my tongue. You know, say as we don't they learn different language. So if they pronounce something sometimes, they stable. You understand? I beg, not mind my tongue. And they also said even the Ghana girls, they love Nigeria boys. Can you hear that? Like, they love Nigeria because if you are with them, there will never be a dully moment. There will never be a sad moment. They are so funny. They are so, as in, they joke like witch. We know that one. Say Nigeria men. If your eye not here, if you not here eye, then they toast you. Before you go even follow them go house, you not gonna know. So shine your eye well. So Nigeria guys are really too funny, and they know how to pamper women. They know how to care about women. No, we are not talking about those bad ones. So yes, we know already that there are bad Nigerians and there are bad ones in all country. Like, any country, there must be a bad side of that country. So we are not talking about those bad Nigerian men. Like, bad Nigerian men is not included here. We are here for positivity. Some Nigerian men, they are so good. They care very well. So I think those Ghana girls that is running towards Nigerian men, they met those kind of people, and that's why they love them. That's why they want to be with them. That's why they said they are so good. You can see. They also said Nigerians, they are hard working. Like, they are hard working. They work even when you are working with them, you will even get tired. They will never be tired. Like, they are so energized. Like, their energy it's too much. Like, only one negative word I had Ghana think about Nigerians are some of the recent things that is happening in their country right now. Yeah, some of the things that is happening in their country, that some of Nigeria is involving on some certain things that is uncalled for. Like, is uncalled for some bad attitude, like robbery and killing. So they tell some of Nigeria, according to this person that requested for this video, said I should always use some of the Nigeria. Yes, I respect you, whether you are ma or sir. I respect you, yes, because as you love me and respect me, I still love you and I respect you too. So he said that I should always use some, the keyword some of the Nigerians are involved on all those things, which is not held. Like, it's not good that is even affecting them right now. Like, it's affecting them. So that is the only negative talk they have about Nigerians right now at this moment. So please, my brothers and sisters that lives in Ghana, please make the reputation of Nigeria right. Please don't drop a bitter taste in that country. Wherever you are doing there, if you are there to earn your living, if you are there to hustle, if you are there to do whatever that you know that is good for you, please do it well and do it perfectly right. Don't involve yourself in any manner of things that you know it will affect your country or it will bring bad name to your country. I beg you, my brothers and sisters that is living in Ghana, please, you guys should just clear that negative thoughts that Ghana have against Nigeria. You can see the positive mindset Ghanaians have for Nigerians. You can see that. So let's continue to love ourselves. And Ghana or Ghanaians, I do really appreciate those positive mindset you have against us. Oh my god, you guys know we love it too. Yes, you guys already know that, even if I did not count what Nigeria think about Ghanaians or what Nigerians think about Ghana. Even if I did not say, you guys already know Nigerians love Ghana. You can see all the video on social media. If you checked it, you will see that is all Nigeria content creator that is saying they love Ghanaians, they love Ghana, they love Ghanaians, they love Ghana with different reasons. From different reasons they do love Ghana. Yes, likewise me, I also did a video with the experience and the encounter that I have with them. I also did that video, and you can see all the competition is about how we love each other. We are just like a twin brothers and sisters and brothers. So let's not divide ourselves. We are just saying all this to inspire and to let so many people know that no matter whatever they are passing through, people are still there passing through those things, like to encourage people, you understand? So, and if you are a Ghanaian living in diaspora, like abroad, tell me what you think about Nigeria that you have met. Although I got a lot of messages what they think about Nigeria. I would love to see some comments. If you are a Ghana person, please do well to drop your comment what you think. So let's go to the other side, what Nigeria think about Ghana. Yes, what Nigeria think about Ghana. As you all know, Nigeria love Ghana. I don't have to say much what Nigerians think about Ghanaians. You Ghanaians know already we love you. Like Nigeria love you, like love you. The love you is long. Oh my goodness, you guys are awesome people anyway. Likewise, with some of the Nigeria are also awesome people. Like as you guys described it, some of Nigeria are really good. Like some of the Nigeria, even if those things that is happening is just happening amongst us, like maybe things that is happening that make people to say Nigeria is that, Nigeria is, those things are just happening among ourselves, like not helping each other, not loving ourselves. It's happening amongst us anyway, because Nigerian person is so good to other people. Like when they see other people, they are so good to them, they are so good to them. As you people just described really good, they can do anything to also help others. Just that those some attitude that you see is among we, like we are just using it against ourselves. Yes, we are using it against ourselves. One thing Nigeria said also that is also negative is that Ghana men are taking away our girls. If you are in Nigeria watching this video, drop your comment. Let me know what you think about Ghanaians. Everybody know what he or she wants. If maybe our Nigerian guest is going with Ghanaians, is they love them? Yes. We have to miss ourselves. Already we are one. Already we are twin. So we have to continue missing ourselves and let the love with their women. Like any woman that go with Ghana because that Ghana person is good to her. That Ghana man did things that make her fall in love with him. So everybody go to where he wants to go to. Everybody love what he or she love. So if any Ghana man take Nigeria girl from you, you will know that girl is not for you, or there are things that Ghana man are doing right that you are not doing, or there are things that the girl saw in that Ghana man that he did not see in you. Like everybody has his own choice of things. Like me, I am a Nigeria and I love my Nigeria man. Yes. So I think this will be the end of this video. If you come across this video and you enjoy this video, you enjoy everything that happened in this video. Already we are not fighting. We did not fight in this video, isn't it? Remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Share it to your friends and family. If you are still watching us, you have not yet subscribed, please do well to subscribe to our channel and you will never regret it. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.